and we're gonna get started. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. So, turkeys. We're gonna draw a cartoon turkey. We wanna make sure he's nice and cute, okay? So let's start off with a round shape for his top of his head like that, okay? Okay, and we're gonna make his face bulge out a little bit to make him cuter, like that. I'm gonna do the same to this side. Bulge it out like that, okay? And you know, turkeys usually have long necks, but we're gonna stick it out, go like that, okay? So it's like wider, getting narrower. Okay, and then turkeys have this funny looking, it's almost like a wrinkly sausage shaped thing going on around their neck, okay? You can just put a line there to make it look like it's sagging and all that, okay? All right, that's his head and that's his neck, all right? Now we're gonna draw his eyes, and it's a cartoon turkey, so we're gonna make cute eyes. Let's do this. Let's make, okay, so from right about here, halfway, we're gonna draw some big round eyes. And what shape are his eyes?
Circles.
That's right. Now, if you're drawing a realistic turkey, you're not gonna have big round eyes like this, but this is a cartoon turkey. So just draw some big round eyes, okay? And now we're gonna draw the dark part of his eye. It's gonna be like this. Okay, it's like that, and we're gonna leave a little bit of space here for it to shine on his eyes. It should be like that. And then we can just shade it in. Okay, now you want to try to make it so that the bottom part here is it's wider than the top part. So it's kind of like this. And just get near. It's kind of hard to do with a thick pen like this, but you get the idea. And don't forget to leave a shiny spot right there on the top, okay? And just shade it in. There we go. And his eyes are looking a little wobbly. That's okay. He's going to be a silly turkey. Right?
Yep.
All right. Now we're going to do his beak, okay? So his beak is, well, you know, turkeys actually realistically have very long, pointy, droopy beaks, but it's a cartoon, so we're going to go like this, and we're going to come down like that, okay? All right, and then we're going to put a line. Let's make him a happy turkey. What do you think? A happy turkey? You think he's happy to be, or should we make him silly looking? Okay, let's see what we can do here. Let's put a happy face right there. There we go. He's a happy turkey, ready to be eaten. All right, don't worry, it's a cartoon. We're not really eating any turkeys like this. Okay, so here we go. And now we're gonna draw his body, which is a sort of a potato shape, okay? But we want to get his wings in too. So let's see how let's see here. We're gonna do some wing shapes like this. All right, just kind of come down and around like that, wing shapes. And his body is rounder on the bottom, so it's gonna be like, it's like fatter on the bottom basically. So coming like that. Okay, and then we're going to just make it meet up. And we're gonna put in little feet, 3 little toes here. So it's gonna like that. And then that one sticks out more. They're little triangle shapes, right? What shape are they?
Triangles.
That's right. Think of basic shapes. And I've kind of made it so that the middle one is sticking out more. There we go. Okay, now we're going to do some feathers on his back, okay? So, here we go. We're going to go triangle shape, like that. Triangle shape, like that. Triangle shape, like that. And triangle shape, like that. Just draw a bunch of triangle shapes. Triangle shape like that. Triangle shape like that. Triangle shape like that, and triangle shape like that, and bring it in. Okay, and we can put some lines here. He looks like a funny looking turkey. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna put some more feathers in. Just put some lines here. Look at that. Okay, I'll wait for you to get that done. And we're gonna put some feathers here now. We're gonna put in some lines like this. 1. Just put some lines down here and that'll separate. It'll look like kind of like his feather shapes. Just drop some lines down. Okay? And there we go. That's his feathers there. And there we have it. There's our turkey. Wow, I like yours. Wow. Yours is better than mine, actually. It's so cute. Look at that. Wow. Yours looks like it's moving. All right. Your kids at home, I hope yours is looking great. But don't worry, the most important thing is to
Have fun.
That's right. Okay. So now we're going to color this turkey boy. So let's give him a nice red head. Okay. So we're using oil pastels, but you can use crayons, or you can use felt markers, whatever you want to use, or pencil crayons. It's all the same kind of idea. You're just going to color it in.
Yep.
And his beak is what color?
It's yellow.
That's right. So get some yellow and color it in. All right, and let's put some green around his eyes because green is the. What color is green compared to red?
It's like I forgot. It's like
You're right. It is complementary colors.
yeah. I forgot how to
Or opposite colors. And opposite colors or complementary colors look good together.
say. Yep.
That's right. Now grab some brown, because turkeys are brown usually. And we're gonna color him brown. All right, and I'm gonna get a different color for the other parts here. Let's see here, something like a lighter brown or a reddish brown or orangey color. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. Sort of an orangey color for his feathers. Now you can pick different colors to color your turkey. You know, you can pick whatever color you want. You could even have a purple turkey. It's your turkey.
Yep.
All right, there we go. Look at that turkey. He's looking like a turkey.
Yep.
All right. Maybe some, I'm thinking about it. Let's see, how about maybe some blue even? Are turkeys blue?
No.
Oh, I know what. I'll do this peachy color here for his wings, okay? There we go. What are turkey feet called? Do you know?
Nope.
These flippers? All right, here we go. They're kind of like duck feet. Look at that. There we go. There is our turkey. A little bit more patterns. We can put some patterns in the shapes of the turkey wings, which we are gonna do here. Well, I'm gonna do. You can follow along. Let's see here. I'm thinking maybe some round shapes here. And I make some sort of a pattern shape here like this. All right, that makes them look a little more turkey-ish. And even at the tops here, I'm gonna color that in a bit. Now pastels these are oil pastels, but they're very similar to crayons. They feel like crayons actually to me. There we are. Some little lines here like that. There we go. There's our turkey.
Yep.
Wow! Time to eat turkey, kids! Well, we hope you enjoyed drawing a turkey with us.
See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.